Hi viewers, today I am explaining about Supreme Court judgment Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar. In this case, Honorable Supreme Court issued guidelines or directions or 41-year notice before arresting any person with regard to the cognizable offences. This is landmark judgment. Kindly go through the judgment 2nd July 2014. In this case, Honorable Supreme Court issued some directions. Number 1, ఇది all the state government to instruct its police officers not to automatically arrest when a case under section 498A of IPC is registered, but to satisfy themselves about the necessity for arrest under the parameters laid down the following from section 41 CRPC. So it is a mandatory provision 41 CRPC notice before arresting. All police officers be provided with a checklist containing specified subclasses under section 41B subclass 2. The police officer shall forward the checklist duly filled and furnished the reasons and material which is necessitated the arrest while producing the accused before the magistrate for further detention. So in this case, Honorable Supreme Court issued directions. The checklist contained 41 years CRPC notice is necessary be enclosed. Next, the magistrate will authorizing detention of the accused shall pursue the report furnished by the police officer in terms aforesaid, and only after recording its satisfaction the magistrate will authorize detention. See the detention, the decision not to arrest an accused be forwarded to the magistrate within 2 weeks from the date of the institution of the case with a copy of the magistrate. In this not to arrest the accused, time may be extended with the permission of Superintendent of Police. Notice of appearance. Notice of appearance in terms of 41A CRPC be served on the accused within 2 weeks. Please kindly go through the within 2 weeks from the date of institution of the case, which may be extended by the Superintendent of Police of district for reasons to be recorded in writing. So 41-year notice is mandatory be served on the accused within 2 weeks. Failure to comply the direction of aforesaid shall, apart from rendering the police officers concerned liable for departmental action. So these directions failure to comply the any police officer liable to for departmental action. They shall also be liable to punished for contempt of court be instituted before High Court having territorial jurisdiction. So any police officer failure to comply these directions, we have to file a contempt proceedings, initiate contempt proceedings against those who violated the directions the said officers. Authorizing detention without recording reasons in case failure to comply the 41A notice. The magistrate also, as per this judgment, magistrate also liable for departmental action. See this is authorizing detention without recording reasons as aforesaid by the judicial magistrate concerned and shall be liable for departmental action by the appropriate high court. So 41A notice is mandatory for before arresting the accused. See next para. We hasten to add that the directions aforesaid shall not only apply to the cases of 498 IPC or Section 4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act. This direction is not only for 498A, all cases the direction will be applied. The case in hand, but also such cases where offence is punishable with imprisonment for term which may be less than 7 years or which may extended to 7 years. We direct that copy of this judgment forward to Chief Secretaries as also the Director General of Police of all state governments. This is the directions issued Honorable Supreme Court for all cases, not only for 498A, for all cases. Judgment delivered July 2nd, 2014. Please kindly subscribe my channel and for more updates. Thank you viewers. Thank you.